Today we're going to take a look at a home located at 2513 Melbourne Street, which is in beautiful Churchill, Virginia. This home is a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath home here on a very well-maintained block. One of the things I love about this block, as I was looking earlier, was we've got a number of owners that have done amazing rehabs on their property, and the homes look really good here. If you are all familiar with Churchill, you know this is one of the most popular places here for renovated homes. So a lot of attention has been paid to this area recently. The thing I love about the home that we're going to look at is it is a great floor plan. We've got really good sized bedrooms. We've got a nice primary bath, nice primary bedroom. And so a lot of the challenges that we often see in older homes are definitely not a challenge here in this home. One of the things that you may have noticed is we have a very wide front porch here. We've got plenty of width and depth here. You could put out a bunch of chairs there, enjoy a nice spring, summer, or fall afternoon. We've got some classic bungalow styling here. This is a fenced yard, so in the rear, if you have 4-legged or 2-legged friends that need to run out and get some exercise, this is a great place for them to do so. One of the things that I also love about a home like this is the character. You can't get this character in a cookie cutter home that is new construction, so some of this character is absolutely priceless. For example, right here with the staircase, we've got some beautiful details here in this woodwork. Our primary suite is up on the 2nd level, and our primary bath as well. We've got a little nook there underneath the staircase. Directly ahead, of course, is going to be our family room. And here to the right, this is a flex room. This is considered a bedroom by my standards. Someone could just simply put some curtains or opaque material over the glass there. This would be a legitimate bedroom. We do have a closet there in the corner. This is a nice big bedroom, so you could easily have a first floor bedroom down here if desired. If not, this would be a great sitting room. You could put formal furniture here. You could make it a home office. Just a number of different ways that it could go. As we pass through here in the hallway, this is brand new carpet that's on the floor. It is very good padding underneath. You can definitely tell that the padding is thick and luxurious. This is going to be our downstairs full bath. Plenty of space here. The seller is in the process of getting everything straight, so this of course will be completely vacant at settlement. This is bedroom number 2. Once again, a very large bedroom. People don't expect to have bedrooms this large in a home in this area, but this house definitely does not disappoint. Just for reference, that is a queen size bed, and you can tell that it is plenty of space there. Even if someone had a nightstand on both sides, you'd have just a great amount of space. We came in the front door there to the left, or directly in the middle of your screen. So this would be the middle room. A lot of people would use this kind of as a family room area if desired. You do have enough space here in the kitchen. If you wanted to put a dinette here on the right side, you could easily do so. Nice complement of kitchen cabinets. The appliances do convey. We do have a double bowl sink there and electric range. That is where your dinette could go, right there against that wall if desired. Directly here to the back is going to be another bedroom. This is going to be the most conservative of the bedrooms. Notice the gorgeous wood floors that we have here. There is 2 windows, and then we have a closet right there as well. Here on the rear of the home is going to be our laundry room. That stack washer dryer does convey. Great place for some additional storage back here. And wait till you see the deck. This is a really neat feature. This deck is in great condition, and it just wraps right on around. Plenty of space here. If you wanted to come back here and entertain, you could easily do so. Once again, our backyard is completely fenced. There is an alleyway on the other side of the fence, so that is where the sanitation trucks will of course come. So a very large lot by Churchill standards. Plenty of space back here in this beautiful home. All right, we're gonna go back in and take a look up on our second level. I was sharing with my owner here earlier that we definitely are pricing this home to sell. This home is going to move. It's going to move quickly. And this time of year, we know that there are plenty of people that are in the market. I'm really excited about this one because it does offer such a great floor plan that's functional. And we don't always see that in the older homes. We're now coming into the primary suite. This primary suite is definitely oversized. You could get the largest of beds in here with no problem, and even have additional room for a sitting area. A lot of natural light flows in. I love the fact that we've got a nice complement of of closets. We've got one directly ahead and then another one there to the left. Dual closets is a very rare occurrence in these older historic homes. We, of course, now here in the primary bath. I love the fact that we have this jetted tub here, and it's a nice deep tub. Of course, have the shower there. So you could get down in there. It's deep enough. You could probably get your shoulders all the way in there. Just nothing like that jetted tub when it comes to relaxing sore muscles after working out or a long day at work. All right, that's going to do it for this beauty. If you have any questions, the contact information will be below on the video. We appreciate you taking the time to take a look. This one will go quickly, so make sure you move accordingly. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.